is an owl. This is the new Triumph Rocket. Hello, this is Jake and welcome back to another video on my automotive channel. Today we're working on HUOG again. In this video today we're actually going to get him up on the ramps and have a good look underneath him, check all the sills, make sure there's nothing substantial that needs fits in, hopefully not, fingers crossed. In the last video we removed the carpet, the seats and everything. My friend Callum helped me out and it was really good, really enjoyed it. So we're going to get him up on the ramps, have a good look underneath him. I'll show you where the leaks come from the engine, between the engine and gearbox. Also, I'm filming this in the garage because my dad's working on the summer house, so it's quite noisy. So it'd be easier to film in here. And we're also over at the interior today, just to where we removed the old carpeted dirt and everything. Want to get that cleaned out. But in the meantime, look at these. Harley, this is the new Triumph Rocket. If you guys want to see a video on this, let me know. My brother's new Triumph Rocket, and he also has the older one as well. I bought this a couple of years ago for this exact reason, to go underneath classic cars and have a look for rust. So very pleased with this. Never used it, but I've seen them and they work really nice. You can hang them up as well, which is good. So I'll be using that one today and have a good look. And there he is. You go right there. See, removed all the interior. Sorry about the banging. And yeah, there you go. So we'll get that done today, get that all hoovered out. We'll get the ramps put here. I'll do that now, set the tripod up, we'll get that done. And we'll get him up on the ramps. I'm going to have to sit in him, which is going to be interesting because we removed the driver's seat. Yes. So, and you see all the dirt and grime I'm talking about. We're going to get it hoovered out, cleaned out and everything. And we'll have a good look at the rust again. And my dad down here will have a good look at it properly. Also, I didn't show you guys this, but look how bad this is. It's really bad. That goes over there. So basically that's a bit of insulation from the engine, but yeah, we might have to replace that. It still does the job as insulation, but yeah, it's not looking that great. I gotta get the ramps from behind that. So we got the ramps in. So what I'm gonna do is jump in HUOG with his, not the Porsche keys, HUOG's keys, and we'll reverse them up and hopefully, fingers crossed, they won't move and I won't damage the car. There we go. HUOG is up on the ramps. Hope you enjoyed that. I was a little bit scared, but we got him on there. I've done it with the Porsche many a time, so with HUOG it's not a problem. He's filthy under here. Wow. I'm going to be giving it a bit of a clean today. It's one of the things to check. Like these bits are always first of rust. But what I'm going to do is get my torch set up and we'll have a good look at the engine underneath and then work our way around to the sills. And we'll have a good look at all the rust problems. Here we go, we're underneath HUOG. I try my best to show you everything, but there's the gearbox, obviously, very oily. Now, the gearbox is joined, I believe, let me just have a quick look. Here, that's the join there. And I can already see a bolt missing from there. So I would like to take this off at some point. We'll have a look in there. But that's where the gasket I got needs replacing because that's where the leak is. And you can clearly see that it's running down here to here, then dripping. That is the oil leak. And I've always known this. I was told when I bought the car that the gasket in there between the engine and gearbox is leaking. And that's, well, there you go. But we're not looking at that today. We are looking at for rust. and I can straight away see the seals down there and down there, and they don't look too bad. There's a few rust areas I can see, but nothing substantial. So what I'm going to do is, well, we'll have a good look, we'll have a good check. Now obviously these seals, these are always going to rust first because of the crap coming off the wheels, and they build up here, and you can see there's build up already. Now that's dirt, that's just, you know, old dirt. There's also little dap holes there, and that's like they've tapped a dent out of the arch. But again, this is not too bad. It's not connected, but I think that's normal. I think that's just bent slightly. I'm checking the other side. Let's have a look. There's our exhaust. Now I do want to change the exhaust at some point. Put a new one on there because this one is blowing slightly. There's our starting motor. Now that actually failed on us in the first couple of weeks of owning the car. But the arms here all look good. They're not overly, just service rust, most of it. Like I said, we will have the wheels off and check drums, so that's going to be right at the end of the series. That's okay. Sorry if I got bad angles on this, but it's really hard to lie on your back and everything and have a look. This one here, you can see that, bit of service rust, but again, nothing substantial, nothing to cry about. Yeah, you know, it's not that bad. It's not, there's oil here. Why would there be oil on that bit? I know there's a few leaks on the engine. I know that. We know that. So it's good just to locate some of them. But yeah, you know, it gives me ideas for Hugo's sister, because Hugo is getting a sister. And it's going to be butchered, but you guys will like it. So yeah, now let's go and check the seals. Okay, here's the seals. Bit here, again service rust, nothing serious. Ooh, there's one of the braces. That's gone. That's rusted right through. Bloody hell. So there's a oval rust. That's something to look at. Let's check the other. This one is not too bad. Again, sorry for the angles, it's not going to be the greatest. There you go. That's okay, we will check the other side, but that is an oval. That's not bad, but there's an oval slightly there coming through. So that's something to look at in the future. I will note that, take a photo. Let's have a look at this. Okay, that doesn't look too bad. There we go, against surface rust. But the actual inner is rock hard. He's filthy under here, he needs a good clean. But no, he's very good. So this is the one that's broke on the other side. There's an old down there. So yeah, not too bad. Could be worse. Also, I was supposed to show you guys this. So this is Andy's cleaning off, but I should clean off that dirt. But yeah, bit of rust here. It's popped up. That wasn't on the car about a year ago, so that's quite new. Also the damage when I hit the bike. Yeah, I reversed into a bike that was parked where all that wood is there. So that's not great. So this one's getting a little bit worse. The paint's actually coming off now, cracking, but it's alright for now. It's alright for another year. The actual inner's fine. There's a bit of build-up dirt there, but nothing too bad. Also the wheel scrubs here a little bit, you see? But when we get the wheels off, I'm going to clean these arches, clean them right out. I mean, it's good in one way that you got build up there, because it stops other stuff getting up in there. There you go. Bits of spots, but that was the only rust ever on him. Sorry if I'm a bit quiet. It's bending down and trying to breathe while you're looking at stuff and then you spot stuff, but doesn't seem that bad under that. I will take a couple of pictures. That oval on the main brace going across the support, a little concerning. It's been that for a long time. It's not a new oval, you can tell that. So that will need looking at. But yeah, he's up on the ramps. I've done what I wanted to do. I've checked everything I can think of. So now is time to probably vacuum him out. There we go, all vacuumed out. Footprints all over that, but we'll get a new one. There you go. So there wasn't that much crap in there, to be honest. Just bits of bubble rust and, you know, bits that come off the car, little dust, a few little screws and everything, but it don't matter, we can get rid of them. So I'm actually going to be marking HUOG. I'm going to make a template up. I'm going to spray his name in here somewhere. I'm not too sure where yet, but I am going to do that. Also, I forgot to film this in the last one. We did talk about me and Callum, but we can get to the gear stick. It's been adjusted and something's been put on that like this. It's not original, so I will be changing that to an original Fiat 500 gear stick. And that'd be nice. It'd be nice to have that original touch. Also, I did say that we'd be changing the wheel as well. So yeah, I thought I'd better tell you about the gear stick because yeah, we will be changing that. Also, this is a new gator. We had this gator a while back, but it's got an hole in it already, which is a shame, but it's okay. We've got hole here. The seatbelt holes, the thread's okay. I have checked them. So when we get the new seatbelts in here, they will all be fitted and colour coded and everything. I actually have the seatbelts out of the old blue one I had, the rust bucket. So what I'm going to do is paint them up, do them up and everything, get the actual belts re-webbed and they will be fitted in here. And HUOG will officially have seatbelts, which would be nice. Wow, there we go. There you have it. That is a look at HUOG underneath. It's not a really long video. It's not really too much to see, and I'm very sorry if you can't see too much because of the camera and that. I thought it'd be a good insight to show you all what a Fiat 500 looks like underneath. Didn't show much of the front end, but don't worry, that'll be coming. I have a funny feeling we're going to be changing the spring on the front of HUOG. So I'll bring more on HUOG very soon. In next video, we will actually be looking at putting some new parts on HUOG, which would be nice. A new number plate maybe, and a few other little things. So thank you all for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you very soon with more on HUOG. Bye for now.